Alright, what's up, team? Couldn't get my Zoom up and running, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the Duo Recorder. Euro USD look like it's forming an M right here. Actually, I said an M. Sorry, actually look like it's forming a W. So it's come down here, down, and then it should shoot up here back to this resistance. And then after those news hit, I'm pretty sure it's going to shoot down. We probably potentially can see this come up to the 200 EMA. So I think once you touch that 200 EMA, it's going to continue its downward trend and touch the 119 zone, potentially back to the 118 zone. But that's what I'm predicting on Euro USD H4. So it's probably going to form a W here. Head up close to this 200, or it might just stop right here at the resistance zone and then continue down back to support. Okay. And let's look at H1 actually. So yeah, so it's respecting the 20 on the H1. So since this 20 just crossed, y'all know how I am. Anytime the 20 crosses, that means it's going to continue to respect this 20. So overall, it makes perfect sense for this to continue down. Like I said, I would like to see this break before I would place a buy. The W that I see on H4, it might not even happen. Okay, let's go to H4. Daily. Let's go to the daily. So it came down here. You guys know how these moving averages work. So it came close to this 200 here. Okay, potentially try to touch it, reject it back up. On a daily, if the moving average is crossed, that's a really good sign to let you know that this market more than likely is about to do a trend reversal. So I would give it maybe a couple days, maybe even a week, but Euro USD might start going down into a bearish trend. And I think it's done this before. Let's see. Actually, it looks like it's been going in an upward trend. This is November of 2020. So it looks like it's been going up in an upward trend for quite some time. But it hit this high here at 1.23. And this is a high of high, okay? Let's see if I can backtrack and see when it's happened again. Oh, let me get rid of this. Okay. See when they've done this again. Haven't done it again. It haven't touched that in a long time. Since July of 2018. Okay? So the chances of this going back up to that is probably not going to happen. On a daily, it's showing that is a high of high. And that high happened December of 2020. Let me make sure I'm right. Yeah, right around December of 2020. So this is probably going back to its downward trend. So you might see Euro USD as a bearish trend. Let's go GU. Okay, let's go GU. Get rid of these. And let's go to the smaller time frames first. Zoom in. So again, there go those moving averages crossing. You see, anytime you see the 200 EMA straight line like that, that's a great sign that GU is about to drop on H1. Okay, let's go to H4 to confirm what we're seeing. Okay, exactly. So it's stuck between these moving averages here, y'all. But look, that 20 just crossed the 50. So this can be a good potential sell down to this 200 EMA. And then we trace back up a little bit and then finish going down to the support zone here. Let's go, where is it at? Let's do USD JPY. So yesterday in our little Zoom call, we was talking about USD JPY. It's going to potentially go up and continue its upward trend. Let's go to the H1. So it's still respecting the 20 EMA. Okay, it is still respecting the 20 EMA. So we probably can get in for a buy and ride this up. Okay, so at least I would say probably right here. I would actually take about 80%, so realistically probably about right here. Okay, but this overall looks like it's going to continue to go up. Let's look at the daily to confirm. So yes, this is a high of high. It haven't been as high since, was that April, May. Haven't been as high. So this is probably going to come all the way up here and probably shoot back down. But the moving averages look really lovely on this. They almost look like the alligator. So this could be a good potential bullish trend. Okay, so you probably look for USD/JPY to continue up. The RSI was high that we confirmed yesterday, and it does look like an M, so this might come back up here again and then retrace down. So more than likely next week, this is probably going to head down and then go back up. Let's go Euro GBP. Euro GBP has been going down for quite some time as well. Looking at the daily, it's definitely respecting that 20. Let's go to H4. Look like it's definitely respecting this 50 here. So, I mean, we potentially can see it come up to about right here and then shoot back down. This would be a good sell entry, y'all. So if this comes up here, be looking for a sell on Euro GBP. Okay. Let's go USD CAD. So CAD it's been kind of one of my favorite pairs, but recently I haven't really know how to trade it because it looked like it's just continuously respecting that 200. That 200 is right here. Okay. 200 is right here. So looking at that 200, I actually think that this is probably going to come up to this 20, maybe break the 20, come up to the 50, because we have all the big impactful news that's supposed to happen this week. And I honestly would just stay away from this pair at this current moment, because to me, this is a channel, and then this is here. They broke the support zone here, and then it looks like it's at another support here. Okay, so like I said, probably could potentially go up to this 20, maybe break the 20 up to the 50, and then head back down. Okay. Let's look at Euro AUD. Okay, this one it looks pretty good. Look like it's in a strong downtrend. Let's go to H1 to confirm what we're seeing. So H1 definitely 20 EMA just crossed. So this is definitely probably coming down to the support zone here and then retrace back up and then come back down. Because look, once it broke this 200, it rejected hard back down. So if this happens again, look to sell on this pair. Okay, let's go to the daily to confirm. Respecting the 20. Okay, respecting the 20. Look like it broke the 20 here, then it rejected and it came down. Okay, that's on Euro AUD. Let's go GBP AUD. GBP AUD also did the same thing. It came up to this 200 EMA, and then now look like it's shooting down. I can almost guarantee you, let me move this support. I can almost guarantee you that it's going to come down to the support zone about right here by the end of the week. Okay, let's go to H4 to confirm what we're saying. So yes, that's a 200 down here. So this is probably going to come here, and then once that 20 EMA crosses, this is going to drop and going to break this 200 and come to the support zone. Okay, let's go to another pair. Euro JPY has been shooting up. It's been respecting. It literally has been respecting this 20 EMA. So I would personally like to see this go up to this resistance zone and look for a retracement on it. Because right now, it would be a bad time to place a buy. But if you would have gotten a buy right here when this first happened, then you would be in the money. Okay. So let's go to daily. I feel like I haven't done a breakdown like this in forever. Go to the daily Euro JPY. Like I said, it's been respecting this 20 on the higher time frames. More than likely, this is going to break this resistance zone. So I would look for a buys on this one. Let's do. I'm gonna board you guys to do GBP JPY. This is one of my favorite pairs at the current moment. This is gonna come up to this resistance zone here, and I would really like to get in on a retrace. Like once a retrace, let's go to H4. So I said this earlier in my group. This actually looks like an M. So to me, at first, this looked like an M was trying to form. But it looked like it rejected when it tried to break the 20. So more than likely, this is probably going up to this resistance zone here. Okay. This is something to keep in mind, man. It looks like it's really looking promising on GBP JPY. Like I said, I've been personally watching this, and this is one of my favorite pairs. Okay. So on H1, if it breaks this 20, we're buying to about right here. Okay. Let's do the good old gold. Gold. Where you at? Gold, I placed this trade. As you guys can tell, I'm still down, right? Let's see. Gold look like it is It's just plain disrespecting, right? The moving averages did cross the 200. So potentially this is going to go up, y'all. This is going to go up. And I would like to see it to go up to about right here. Now, gold is a tricky sucker, okay? It might come up to about this zone here and then come back down. But since the moving averages is in our favor, I think it's going to continue up to at least to this resistance zone. And let's go H4. So, yes, things going to come up to at least to this resistance zone before it shoots back down. See, the 20 is trying to cross the 50 here. And see, the 200 is all the way up there. So, this is definitely trying to come meet this 200. Now, if you don't have a big A count, I definitely would not trade this pair. As you guys can tell right now, I did a withdrawal, so my count's only like $400 or $500. I'm gonna put more money in, obviously, when I either get the stimulus check or whatever the case may be. But anyways, this is something to watch. Okay, like I said, this probably could potentially come up to this resistance zone and then shoot back down. But other than that, that's all I got. Oh wait, one more thing. Let's go check out the news. Posted this in the group. And I'm probably going to post this on YouTube too, just so people can see how we do breakdowns. But, let's do... So, today's Monday. So, Tuesday, we got 3 red folders, which means it's high impactful news. Okay? 3 red folders, which means it's high impactful news. And then you got a mid impact at 6:30 tomorrow night. And then Wednesday, you have a CAD impactful news. And then look at that, y'all. 9:30 a.m., you got another mid impact. And then at 1 o'clock tomorrow or Wednesday, you got red folders all the way up until the market shuts down. Okay. 4 a.m. on Thursday, you have another mid impact. And then Thursday at 7 a.m., you got GBP red folders across the board. Okay. And then the U.S. has another mid impact at 7. So, man, this is like NFP all over again, y'all. So, this is something to keep in mind when y'all trading. And then Friday, you got JPY pairs. Then you got CAD. Okay. So, keep this in mind when you're trading this week. But, anyways, other than that, man, y'all have a great week. Just trade together. Let's win together. And hopefully, this video helped y'all out. Hopefully, you made it to the end of this video. And remember to put God first, y'all. Put God first, and everything will work itself out, just like it did for me. And I promise you, it's going to do the same for you. Peace.